yeah.
Hey, y'all, I don't know what the hell this is. Y'all let me know in the comments what y'all... It's like it says GT Rally. Lady, what is this? What is all this? I don't know what that's for, but it looked kind of dope. What's up, y'all? We are out here with the boys. We got the whole squad with us. My brother's here.
Wow, that's...
You know, I got the G out here too. Brother's Mustang. That is Harold's Jenny, y'all. That's Jarvis's Jenny. And this is the boy Jerry's wide body G35. So yeah, guys, today's video is gonna be us basically going to this garage parking lot area so we can take some photos and pictures and all that good shit. We go into this garage, take some photos, take some cool pictures and all that good stuff. And then hopefully we don't run into no issues with police. Well, I hope we don't, because we got my brother's loud ass Mustang. So we good. Let's go ahead and go through this. Let's get to the area and try to make it over there. Let's go. Oh yeah, that's definitely better. So yeah, y'all, we just washing the cars, trying to get them all nice. We're gonna do a little photo shoot session with the boys. Go, y'all. So this is basically us. This is the squad right here. This is everybody's cars kind of close up. This is Jarvis's car. Jenny sounds like a monster. Y'all already know the kid. Nothing need to be said. This is Harold's Jenny. It's my brother Optimus. You know he had to put this on there. That's my brother's Challenger. This is Jerry's wide body G. I didn't kind of show you guys fully how it looked. Wide body with the louver on the back. Let me give you guys a little sexy back view, side view. Oh man, that's a photo right there. This back view right here of all y'all cars, this is a photo. And of course, y'all know my brother's orange Mustang. I never really kind of like showed you guys this car straight up, but this is it. So this is really big for me. I want to say thank y'all to my brothers, because the way life works, sometimes you gotta like put aside shit. That's all I'll say. But this moment to me means more to me than probably any gift that anybody can give me, any tangible payment. Fuck all that. This means the most to me.
Nah, Jesse,
right here.
Nah, Jesse, I don't like that, man. This not working, brother.
This is the first time we've actually all three been in the same spot with cars. Like, this is literally the first time we've actually did this, y'all. And this means a lot to me. This is like the best gift y'all could have gave me.
Nah, brother. That's over here, brother. I'm not liking it, brother.
Yo, he been quoting Fast and the Furious shit all damn day. But yo, this is love right here.
He was like, I'm like right on his ass. He like, hey, he gave me that look like, yo, on my ass, like, slow down.
Hey, we talking about John. We talking about this guy right here. He only likes to drive 10, 15 miles an hour. Anybody that speeds, he go crazy.
Okay, so low and slow. You're going for like the medium. You're like in the middle. I already peeped your vibe. Your vibe is in the middle. And
This motherfucker trying to speed race and shit. This guy here is a speed racer.
He don't even know what kind of wheels he wants yet.
Right? That doesn't mean anything.
Yeah, it does. Because the
means
wheel
nothing.
setup can mess up.
The
Can give you
weight.
more speed. The weight.
I know this wisdom for that.
Well, I'm gonna go for a street.
Drag setup regardless.
That he's like, oh yeah, shit. So I know yours. Your shits are like. Yours are like. I had those on mine. I know those shits are like.
It's 10 and a half and a half. Yeah, this shit is 5. This shit is like 2. I don't know why he was complaining.
I wanted those. 2 of ones are AMGs on here. Yeah. But then it's like, okay, if I go 20s, the fuck?
Those
it looks nice.
Those are AMGs?
Yeah, AGs.
Those are avant-gardes.
Yeah.
Those are avant-gardes.
Avant-garde.
Nigga, how much you spend for them shits?
Wait. Oh, he traded them. Wait. Avant-garde?
AG is avant-garde.
Oh no, they're
These are ESRs?
Yeah, Autohon.
Autohon.
So you
Okay,
just changed
okay.
the center cap.
Oh shit! Hey, we done caught you in 4K. We done caught you in 4K. Oh, it say Autohon. Oh. Yo, I thought. Hey, I was like, AG. Cause avant-gardes are like $3,000 each. No tires.
I got money like that.
Okay, I'm
I
like,
got money like that.
and then you went ahead and painted them. So I'm like, nigga, how much bread y'all got? Like, crazy? Ain't no way in hell I would have painted some avant-gardes in the garage. You know what I mean? Cause that's what they did. They painted them bitches in the garage. I'm like, they just throwaway rims. Huh?
How many coats?
Oh, his brother was the one that painted it.
3?
3 and the clear? I wish I could do
It's
that.
good. I mean, if you go into closer, yeah, you're gonna see like a little like paint dropping off.
But it's not as bad though. Like if you do fucking 1 or 2 coats. or whatever.
Yeah. Same shit.
Man. Same way, 3 coats and let that shit just air dry.
Yeah.
It looks nice though, that's what I'm saying. If you're a fucking neat freak or whatever case may be, you want to inspect his wheels and you know what I mean? But other than that, from afar, when my brother sent me the pictures, I was like, yo, that shit look nice.
Listen, man, only you would know.
It's different though, that's what I'm saying. Your style is different, your style is different. I'm trying to figure out your style. I just don't know. Like, I know he's in the middle. I know he's for looks. Like, that's what I want to go for next.
Right,
but then
right.
I'm like, nah, fuck that. I love that.
I know that I'm slow.
But I still.
How you know you slow if you haven't really?
He was going for speed at first.
How you know? I'm just saying. How you know? Okay, let's look at this. Take a look at the engine.
Slow.
That's it.
Slow.
What made you get the
baby
Genesis?
turbo?
What made you get the
But you got a turbo nonetheless. You could change that turbo out and go bigger.
No, yeah, I could. But slow.
It's not gonna make that much power.
It's not. I mean,
Man,
now,
I've seen 2.0 turbo Genesis do a comfortable 700.
Oh yeah.
Comfortable without breaking nothing. See it on YouTube. Go on YouTube and check it out.
You know, the tuning has to be precise with that. Though. the heads. Yeah, this one is manual. It's the heads.
Yeah, it's
the
always
head
the
and the
heads with
block
these.
is it's a GDI motor, bro. It's a piece of crap, honestly. To be honest with you.
No disrespect.
No disrespect.
Yeah, before I broke the rod, and the guy fixed it.
Oh, you broke the rod?
Yeah.
Oh shit.
Yeah, well, he broke the rod. He's like,
Me? Nah,
You broke the rod?
you broke the rod.
It was
I'll
one
get
of
it
those
to it.
scooters.
Yeah, the guy that was too.
Yeah,
So I have this in a rod, so the block right now gives me 500 horsepower.
yeah, that's what I'm
That's
saying.
good.
That's
So all I need is really a turbo, intercooler, and just that's it.
Oh, you still running the stock?
Yeah.
It's not bad. 500 horsepower and any car.
Huh? How fast I want? How fast I went with his car?
Yeah.
120. That's it.
We'll blurt that out for you guys. God damn it. Don't fucking. I gotta fucking bleep the sounds and shit.
Once I feel that vibrate, I'm like, alright, slow down. That's it. And that was because I was breaking someone too, so I was like,
Right.
wait
Why
a
your
minute.
shit be vibrating?
I shouldn't be going that fast.
My shit was going 150.
Safety
Right.
word.
Really?
That was safety. That was a
I
good
said,
safety
wait a
right there.
minute, stop.
Gliding. Stock as fuck. Gliding.
Yeah.
That bitch was moving. It's just.
These and the Infinities, bro. These songs, bro.
Yeah, they are. Infinities,
I can't
especially.
talk too much about Infinities because I mean they got the GTR and shit like that. They got the 370Z, but after like the 350Z, the year that I had
The
last
HR,
year,
the touring.
the HR,
Yeah.
the technology was just like
Boy,
fucking
that
phenomenal.
looked
The
like
twin fucking.
No
autobody,
disrespect.
bro.
No disrespect to the Mustang.
Yeah,
though.
bro.
Yeah, the 350
But
was
yo,
the
that
350 he had was the best shit he had, bro. That shit was fucking crazy. But motor blue.
The motor locked up right in front of the mechanic. Remember?
Yeah, that shit was the worst
Yo,
shit
man,
ever.
that shit knocked. He said, try to turn it on. I said, bro, this shit won't turn on.
That shit locked up, nigga. We
He
couldn't
said,
do
"Oh,
nothing.
I was like, yeah, I just did an oil change like 2 days ago. What you mean?
And that's my rod broke. I didn't do oil change.
Oh man.
I do my own oil change.
Oh yeah, I do too, but I just forgot.
I've been doing my shit ever since COVID started, I think.
So, excuse the sweat. We've been out here for a little minute to this garage, just talking, chopping it up, like how we always do, you know, car guy shit. And yeah, you know, we had a good time. This is gonna be a spot I'm gonna regularly come to. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, this is the spot that I'm thinking I'm gonna regularly come to. You know, so I'm super like, it's dope that we found this spot. You know what I'm saying? So. Hope you guys enjoyed the content. This is more to come. We're doing all collaborations 2022. You saw the homies. We gonna get more in depth into their cars and probably the reason why they picked their cars, kind of thing. But that's coming in the months to come. So you guys will see that. So with that being said, guys, as always, stay humble, stay grateful, stay gracious. All that. Probably the most important thing you can do is stay driven. 1.